Hi guys, this is the missing manual. I'm going to show you today how to assemble, take down a baby camping cot. First thing you're going to do, if you look at the bottom in the middle, there's a little material in the middle. It's got a little handle. What you're going to do is you're going to pull that up towards you. The four corners of the cot will then fold in the middle. As you can see now, on the four corners, not corners, on the four sides, in the middle there are little buttons that you just clip up. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your hand up, you're going to clip them, and you're going to just push these sides down to the ground. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just push it down to the ground, and as you can see already, if you put the 4 top pieces together, your cot is now packed up and ready to go. Now I'm going to show you if you want to do the opposite. If you want to set it up, you're going to do exactly the same. What you're going to do is you're going to push all the 4 corners out again, and what you need to do on the sides, on the 4 sides, as I showed you before, now you're going to lift up those the bend parts, and you're going to just set them up. So lift them all up, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next step is in the middle part, you're going to push this whole part down. As you're going to push it down, and there we go, the cot is now set up. Just make sure that all 4 sides are pushed up. There we go. So that's it, your cot is now set up. That is the easy way to do it. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please like the button so a lot of people can see it. And if you love it, please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting a lot more videos. If you have never have a manual for this, or if you received this as a second-hand, or if you've bought it second-hand. Thanks for watching my channel. This is the Missing Manual. Thanks. Bye.